Salt and pepper prawn skewers. First up, thread the prawns onto soaked bamboo skewers.
Place the salt, white pepper, Chinese 5-spice and black pepper in a small bowl and combine.
Sprinkle half the mixture evenly over the prawns.
To make the ginger lime mayonnaise, combine the mayonnaise, lime juice, ginger and coriander in a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of hot water and stir to combine.
Lightly spray the prawns with olive oil spray and cook on the grill for 2 minutes each side or until the prawns are lightly charred and cooked through.
Arrange the cucumber, chilli if you're using it, spring onion curls and coriander on a serving platter.
Top with prawns and sprinkle with the remaining salt mixture. Serve immediately with the ginger lime mayonnaise.